Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add a comment to a cell in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So in order to first create the comment, I would suggest heading over to whatever cell you want to leave the comment for. So let's say I want to make a note for this 1765 right here. So once I have that selected, I'm going to go ahead and left click on the review tab up at the top, and I'm going to left click on new comment. So I'm going to leave a comment here saying please double check this number. Then you want to just close out of it, and when you hover over it, over this little cell, it should pop up with a comment. So if you actually want to show all comments so it's not going to just disappear on you, you can left click on show all comments right here. So no matter where you go on the worksheet, it should remain here. So definitely, depending on what kind of work you're doing, you might actually want to keep the note there so it's not accidentally skipped over. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.